particular workshop is a little bit different from the previous one that we had, and it's because there were a lot of students from the garment fashion, but also from high quality printing, which means they understand it perfectly how things work. But I'm always encouraged by how they react towards the new technologies and the progress that we are bringing here to Vietnam, and I think they have a great perspectives in terms of making career in digital direct-to-garment printing. So I think that's our goal for the next couple of years, and I'm sure each of them, as they graduate, they will do an amazing job in DTG.
The DTG is the new technology that is in future it will develop too much, and I've learned from them is more advanced than the traditional printing. So we can print from 200 or 300 colors that the traditional printing can do that. And the second, what I like from the presentation today is that I know more knowledge about the DTG, the technology, and I have more experience that how to work with the machine